So another Friday, another update. As you can see, we're in our new home, and we're still in the working clothes because that's all we've been doing. So as you can see, all the walls have been painted black. We've got our, I would say, our green. It's a greeny blue colour on all the pillars. We're still a few to do here across the way. So definitely getting there. With some cars moved over, we're completely moved out of our Bangor site now. So anybody that wants to come and see anything here, I wouldn't say it's a building site at the minute, but we all are still working obviously on it just when we're here. So I'll give you a quick rundown on some of the cars we have here. You've seen them before, but it's just to update you about a few things. We have a few outside we're going to show you, and we'll show you just how we've been getting on with the valeting end of things as well. And that's the ramp. That's the trolley jack getting trailed about out there. As I always say to you, we do normal cars too. So what you're going to notice in our videos is there's a lot more normal stuff now coming in also because obviously we're putting both branches into one. So like this wee smart car here, low mileage. That is the cheapest car you can insure. That is Group 1 insurance. So for somebody wanting something, first time driver, insured in their own name, absolutely excellent wee car. You can see our really cool Q3 here, which is wrapped. It's like I think it's called an iridium wrap. So it changes from, I don't know, many colours around it, blue, green, purpley sort of colours. S-line as well. So really, really cool car that. So I've got this 15 Golf R. It's just over 100,000 miles in this. Really, really nice driving car. Wheels done black, mirrors done black, roof done black. Nice car, good service history, manual. Nice value for money at 12,495. Got the RSGR here as well. You've all seen the video of that before. We have had interest in it, but again, it's not going unless I get what's on the window for it. Supra's here, massive price drop net, 39,995. We have had loads of traction on it, but it's just getting the right deal. Obviously, the Subaru's still here. With Tommy Mac and an Evo in here, it's been dropped a couple of grand as well. The NSX. These three sort of cars here, I'm not really busting to sell them, but on the other hand, they are for sale. So we've got the R32 GTR, got the R34. Have a guy really, really keen on that who bought my X3M, so that could be gone by the next video. Have a wee city go in the corner. We have a Golf GTI. This is a performance edition, so I think it's 235 horsepower. Really nice wee car. I'm trying to remember if this one's manual or auto. It is manual. Sold this car previous to a very good customer of ours. This is a 2018 Golf R. This is a very, very, very special car. It has Revo big brake kit. We've just recently done the disc and pads. The disc and pads were £2,000. That's just been done in that car. Front splitter, rear spoiler, full mill tech. Everything's done by Revo. 500 horsepower. That's a rapid car that, and really nice and understated in the grey. Got our A45 AMG, which you've seen before, the S as well. This car we maybe got in the last video, I can't remember, but this is a 2004 320 6-cylinder coupe with a hard top. The hard top is optional. So this car has one owner, one registered keeper on the logbook, who bought it direct from BMW. It was a demo for their showroom, so it's fully kitted, it's manual, it's M Sport, it's black leather, factory fitted, dealer fit spoiler, everything with this car, right down to the car cover. Tires have been replaced with the Bridgestones that would have came on, the Brisenses, and they were just replaced because of cracking on them. So they're all new tires on that car. Has never seen paint. It's just been ceramic coated and fully detailed as well. So that is probably, I would go on a stretch to say, one of the best E46s available. 10,995, the roof's an optional £1,000, and it's a shadow line as well, so it's got all the black on it. C63S, you've seen this before as well, awesome car. Had a bit of traction on it, but unfortunately it's not gone. These type of cars, they don't sell overnight, and we know that. Just here, you'll see our wee MR2. We've got it from outside, the inside. Tires need slicked on it, but that'll just sit here as well. It's just a really cool wee talking point for people. We'll probably palm around the front, go down this way. RS Focus, we now have a deposit on. Getting a really nice trade in. Again, repeat customers, bought 3 or 4 cars off us, a lovely fella. RS3, we have a guy on this. We're just waiting on a sensor coming for the gearbox. We have this beautiful, you have to watch the post, beautiful C220 AMG line. This is the highest spec I've seen in one of these. I think I've gone through it in the video before. So Premium Plus, so heads up display, pan roof, Bermster audio, electric seats, black leather, nice AMS wheels on it. all de-chromed and a bit of aero and stuff on it as well. So that's a really nice wee car. Got 208 GT line. These are an excellent first timers. 34,000 miles in this car. Really low insurance group. Had the wheels refurbed and the high part silver as well. So that is a really, really good first car, easy to insure. We've got the 550i with the AC Snitcher factory kit on it. That is an awesome, awesome car. We have had interest in that. It's a big tax band, but look, do you know what it is? To drive a car like that, the tax may be, I don't know if it's £500 or whatever it is, but I always split it into monthly, and to have that, it's not something people will drive every day. You could, but you wouldn't want to put the miles on it. But that's an awesome, awesome car. Like that is literally an M5 underneath that. So that's a nice motor. We'll take you outside, do a bit of a walk around the Showroom New Stock outside. There is a skipping things out there because we are working, but we'll give you a wee rundown on what's out there. We'll bring you in through the front showroom, show you what we're doing and what we've already done. And I'd like to thank some of the people that came and helped us. Mark at Polish and Wax especially came down yesterday and was like a man on a mission with a tile remover. So we'd like to thank him for that. And everybody else has helped in between times. But look, we'll get you through here and get you another look. Here we just advertised this yesterday. This car's as good as sold. The guy just wants to come and get a look at it tomorrow. He's seen it online but don't walk around video. Cool wee car. It was a 16 320D manual, obviously coilovers, all the kit on it, white, beautiful car. We have our El Grande in the corner. That's a real low mileage. I think there's 50,000 miles in that. We've had a bit of traction in that with a wee Tucson diesel. We have CRV 1.6 SR, so top of the range, like heated seats, reverse camera, all that. Excellent family car. The wee X1. Got this 520D. This is a 2016. The mileage I think is in around 70. Don't hold me to that. It's 70 odds. We've done the M Performance kit on it, and we have done new wheels, which are optional. Black leather, really, really nice car. That probably the best price one for sale at the minute. We have an E-Class coupe here. I think there's 100k on that, but such a stunning looking car for the money. We have an A7 3-litre TDI Quattro with 86 on it. That's a nice car, 242 horsepower. We have a 2015 Q5 S-Line Quattro Plus. That again is a really nice high spec car, reverse camera, LED lights, tow bar. It's got the black grille on it as well, but didn't do wheels in this because the wheels are actually really nice on it. We have a 2012 Q7, there's 103 on it. These are great seller for us. 22-inch wheels optional, lovely blue. Really, really nice condition actually for the mileage that's on it. This is a 2014 C220 AMG line automatic, black leather. Again, good seller for us, and at that price point, it's 10-11 grand. It's a lovely car. We've got our Buick out in the sun. Would you look at that? It's not class. I think it's about the length of the skip by the looks of things, which is quite different. We've officially got an Elite Auto sign up. Isn't that amazing? Warranty wise, we've also got us some banners done with our logos and things on them, which I think is excellent. I think that's a really, really nice touch from them. Here we have a 2015 Golf R DSG, 83,000 miles, finished in Tornado Red, 5-door. We put a front splitter, boot spoiler onto it, and a set of 19-inch Pretorias, which are optional on it. That car will probably be sold by the time the video comes out, but if it's not, that'll be a great buy for somebody. So we'll walk you just through the front showroom here and just let you see what we've been up to. You might remember the last time you seen in here, it was all boxes and pallets and things like that. It's not a lot better. We've got a makeshift desk. We have, say Mark was in from Polish and Wax, and Chris and myself took some of these tiles off the walls. So basically there's a cutout going here, bit of replastering there and over to the other side. So it's just, we've sort of cleaned it out a bit. It'll never look perfect, but it'll do us certainly for getting a few sales done. All the lights will be getting changed, as I said, tough tile floor and tough tile lighting, which should be pretty cool. So yeah, we've got we're not letting too much away, but we've got really cool ideas for all the walls and all the type of things that we're going to do. Even if you turn around here, behind here, we will be doing wheel sets. So these are just a few sets we already have in stock. As I said to people before, guys in yesterday looking to buy wheels, we're not going to be set up for it yet. It will be sort of 6 to 8 weeks because we want to have a proper showroom, a proper setup, and be not just sort of doing it just for the sake of it. So that it will come. Obviously, we can get optional wheels for any car you buy, or if we have optional wheels and something, we can change them. Pretty much, we've got a catalogue that we can get you. So that's a bit of an update. It's not a brilliant update, but I think each week as weeks go on, you will notice differences in the place. I think effectively we're talking sort of May time, sort of May, late May, early June, of possibly doing a car and coffee morning. Get some of you down and get you nosy around the place, and by that point we'll hopefully have it we'll not have the upstairs finished, but we'll hopefully have the bit that the public see all done. And I think you will be very, very impressed when it's done. So again, like, subscribe and share. We will be doing wee short videos on some cars as well, and we're going to try and load those up more, just to sort of keep the sales end of it going as well. So just keep an eye on our Facebook and our YouTube shorts as well. So yeah, appreciate all the help, and again, anybody that's helped us along the way get in here in any way, shape or form, we're very we appreciate everything that you've done to us. PM Distribution were in here before, were good enough to leave us their forklift and all for a few weeks, which was a massive thing. So thanks to Aaron and Paul for that. But yep, we'll catch up with you soon, and remember, it's eliteautosni.co.uk.